morning to all my fabulous students of 12th grade. I hope that you all must be fit and fine at your own places. A very wonderful morning to all my fabulous students of 12th grade. I definitely hope that you all must be fit and fine at your own places, and of course, being board class students, you all must be working very hard. Okay, now in my last class students, we have discussed about the advertisements. Okay, advertisements, there are two kinds of advertisements. I have told you already in my last class, dear students. Of course, one was the display advertisement. Okay, display advertisement, and the other one was, of course, classified advertisement. Right, students? Now, in these two kinds of advertisements, display advertisement I have already given you, and we have already discussed the format of this, okay? And I definitely hope that you must have completed your written work also in your grammar notebooks, okay? Now, today we will talk about and do one classified advertisement, okay? On that day also, students, when we have discussed the topic advertisement, I have told you that a classified advertisement, okay, is always written with limited words, and it doesn't contain any kind of visual, okay, although every detail is present in that advertisement. Okay, is that clear? So today we will be doing a classified advertisement. Okay, the example of a classified advertisement. Okay, so very quickly write down the question. I definitely hope you all must be sitting with your practice or rough notebooks, and of course hats off to those students who are sitting with the fair grammar notebooks. Of course students, आप देखिए बोर्ड क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपके पास बार बार कॉपी करने का टाइम नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स. योर टाइम इज एक्सट्रीमली प्रीशियस. ओके, तो उसे वेस्ट ना करें. डायरेक्ट जो भी काम है उसे फेयर नोटबुक में करें. राइट? ओके, तो अगर फेयर नोटबुक आपके पास ही है तो वेरी क्विकली यू कैन टेक इट एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग. ऑल्दो यू ऑलरेडी नो आई गिव यू टाइम स्टूडेंट्स टू नोट डाउन फ्रॉम द बोर्ड. ओके, आई एम नेवर इन अ हरी. Okay, because I want my student to learn step by step, of course, right? So let us start. Okay, so today's question is I'm writing it on the board. I hope you all can see, and of course it must be very clear to you all. You are the principal of Sunrise Public School, Agra. draft a classified advertisement for the post of receptionist in your school, provide all the relevant details. Okay, students, I hope you all must have written. Okay, write it down very quickly. I'll give you 1 minute time. I'm giving you 1 minute time. You can note down. I hope the board is absolutely clear to everybody. You can note it down, dear students, okay? And I definitely hope that you all must be sitting with your soft pencils and of course with your scales also. Okay, and I do hope that in your display advertisement you must have colored it properly. Okay, as color is the spice of life, dear students, never leave colors behind. Okay, always be with colors. Okay, don't make your life a blueprint. Okay, just white and black. No, color it. Okay, you will be creative if you are colorful. Okay, so note this down. Of course, I'm giving you time. Note this down. Then we'll draw up a classified as advertisement. Okay, and note it down. Principle, always remember P should be capital and it should be not PLE, the general mistake which all the dear students are tend to commit. Okay, so it is PAL, always remember. Okay, because even in board evaluation when we go there, this is a very blunder mistake which students commit. Okay, so I don't want you to commit. Write principle with a capital P when it is an institutional principle. Okay, the designation principle. Okay, but when there is any law or any firm belief, then it will be of course principle, PLE. Okay, always remember that, dear students. You can note it down, that's okay. I hope you all must have written by now, of course. Okay? Very nice. So let me rub it off. Okay, so that we can continue with our question. Okay? I hope the board is also visible to everybody. Of course, there's no issues about board now. Okay? Okay, so students, as I've already told you, classified advertisements will definitely be written in either a rectangular box or a square box. Okay, so first of all, make a box. Okay, don't close the box, just make a box. Okay, and always remember, okay, always remember student, when you require, ठीक है, जब हमें like हमारे question में क्या है, the principal of Sunrise Public School requires a receptionist, ठीक है, एक receptionist की requirement है, तो इस तरह की advertisement अगर classified होती हैं तो उन्हें हम लिखते हैं situation vacant. ओके, हमेशा ध्यान रखना, vacant यानी कि खाली स्थान है, ठीक है, it must not be visible to you, it is always written as situation vacant. ठीक है, हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे सिचुएशन वेकेंट के जो कॉलम्स होते हैं उसमें हम अपनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिखते हैं रिक्वायरमेंट की, कि जैसे रिसेप्शनिस्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, कोई टीचर रिक्वायरमेंट है, कोई क्लर्क की ज़रूरत है, अकाउंटेंट रिक्वायरमेंट है. ओके, कुछ भी अगर रिक्वायरमेंट है तो इट विल ऑलवेज बी अंडर द हेडिंग ऑफ सिचुएशन वेकेंट. ठीक है, अब हम लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे अपनी क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट. सबसे पहले कैप्स में लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स सिचुएशन वेकेंट. ओके, सिचुएशन वेकेंट यानी कि रिक्त स्थान है, यानी कि कोई जगह खाली है, आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इज दैट क्लियर? Okay, I hope you must have drawn this box with accuracy and of course with your soft pencil and scale. Okay, now let's start writing. A should be capital. Just leave one line. Okay, just leave one line. Now you can see here, okay, the opening sentence is applications are invited for the post of receptionist, okay, ठीक है, applications invited हैं for the post of receptionist, well qualified, ठीक है, हमारे जो भी post हैं, जो भी receptionist हैं, वो well qualified होने चाहिए, minimum post graduate होने चाहिए, ठीक है, age between 25 to 35 years कम से कम होना चाहिए, ठीक है, okay. ठीक है, उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स हमारी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मस्ट हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, बोलचाल में अच्छे होने चाहिए, ठीक है, मस्ट बी एजुकेटेड, मस्ट बी हैविंग गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, शुड बी एज ऑफ 25 to 35 years, okay. What else we want for a receptionist? Pleasing and presentable personality. Okay, this is another requirement that he or she should be, of course, okay, should have pleasing and presentable personality, okay. Is that clear? अभी देखिए हमने एज ए स्कूल प्रिंसिपल हमने रिक्वायरमेंट दे दी है अपनी कि हमारी जो भी रिसेप्शनिस्ट होंगी या जो एप्लीकेंट्स हैं उनमें ये क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए, ओके. ओके, सैलरी का पॉइंट भी हम देंगे कि हमारे यहाँ पे जो सैलरी है दैट विल बी बेस्ट इन इंडस्ट्री, ठीक है, यानी कि जो भी पे स्केल आजकल है सूटेबल फॉर अ राइट कैंडिडेट दैट विल बी पेड, ओके. अब हम देंगे मिनिमम ओके, मिनिमम 5 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड, ठीक है, यानी कि जो भी एप्लीकेंट हैं वो कम से कम 5 years तक कंटिन्यूअस किसी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट में पोस्टेड होने चाहिए, ठीक है. ही और शी मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑल्सो, ओके. Now, the closing before the conclusion, you can write, of course, send your applications at, this is a fake address, you can write whatever address, fake address you can just develop, okay. School name you should definitely put, this is there in the question. And of course, contact number, of course, do not put your own mobile number. I know you students like to do this. Either sometimes you put your friend's mobile number or your own number. Never do that, okay? Always put a contact number. It is mandatory. Contact number is mandatory. Address is mandatory. Qualities are mandatory, okay? Is that clear? And of course, sometimes in the questions, after that you can close the box. Now students, sometimes in the questions, okay, like I think 2 or 3 years back in the board examination, okay, the contact number was given of the person and you had to write means a classified advertisement. So what the examiner will be checking? Of course students, examiner will be checking the mobile number. Okay, that will be a plus point if you are writing that same contact number. That shows that you have read the question properly and you are following the guidelines of the question paper. Okay, so whatever details is given in your question paper, go through it with a calm and cool mind. ठीक है, ऐसा ना सोचें, घबराना नहीं चाहिए कि हाथ में क्वेश्चन पेपर आ गया है, अब पता नहीं वो क्वेश्चन हमें आता है नहीं आता है. नेवर थिंक अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. क्वेश्चन आप आराम से पढ़ें, क्योंकि कई बार डिटेल्स उसमें भी मिलती हैं. ठीक है, नेम मिल जाएगा आपको, डेजिग्नेशन मिल जाएगी वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो आपको पता है एक एड्रेस हमें देना है क्लासिफाइड ऐड का. मोबाइल नंबर नहीं भी दिया हुआ, नो प्रॉब्लम, हम आपको बता रहे हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 आपको हमेशा देना है. ओके, वॉट एवर द क्लासिफाइड ऐड यू आर गिविंग. ठीक है, क्योंकि क्लासिफाइड ऐड के कुछ पॉइंट्स होते हैं, वैल्यू पॉइंट्स, जैसे कि एड्रेस देना, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर देना, क्वालिटीज़ देना. अब हमें रिसेप्शनिस्ट चाहिए. ठीक है, तो रिसेप्शनिस्ट की यही क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं, प्रेजेंटेबल हो, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अच्छा हो, एक्सपीरियंस हो, एजुकेटेड हो, है ना. तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन, एंड सैलरी ऑल्सो वी हैव मेंशन. तो दैट मीन्स ऑल द वैल्यू पॉइंट्स आर करेक्ट. बिल्कुल ठीक, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट हमारी एक क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट तैयार हो गई है. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू ऑफ कोर्स आउट ऑफ मार्क्स इन योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. नो एग्जामिनर कैन टेक अवे योर मार्क्स, nobody. Okay, right, is that clear? So I'll give you 2 minutes time, just copy it down nicely. अच्छे से इसे नोट कर लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी क्विकली. ओके, क्योंकि क्लासिफाइड्स एड्स आर ऑफ मिनिमम 8 to 9 टाइप्स. ओके, 8 to 9 टाइप्स की हमारी क्लासिफाइड्स एड्स होती हैं. अभी अब मैं आपको 2 मिनट्स दे रही हूँ, आप आराम से इसे नोट करिए. ठीक है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, डू नॉट कमिट एनी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक. ठीक है, तो कोई भी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक आपको नहीं करनी है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये बात आप ध्यान रखें. ठीक है, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, सो वेरी नाइसली जस्ट गो थ्रू एंड जस्ट राइट इट. ओके, बिना स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक किए हुए. ओके, बी एक्यूरेट इन योर स्पेलिंग्स, राइट. सो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. This should be in caps always. Never forget that. Okay. Very quickly note it down. Okay, don't look here and there. Keep a concentration on your work. Don't look here there. इधर उधर ना देखें. I know आप घर पे बैठ के कर रहे हैं, फिर भी पढ़ाई करते टाइम concentration की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम अगर आप घर पे बैठ के कर रहे हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नोट कर लीजिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, I definitely hope that you all must have written this. I definitely hope, dear students, you all must have written this. I hope you all must have written, my dear students. I know you are in 12th class. You have quite a good hand in writing also. Okay. So let us move further now. Let us write the next question. Okay, now students, in your unit test, okay, I would like to inform you, in fact remind you, that in your unit test only display advertisement will be coming, okay. Classifieds will not be included because they won't be completed by that time, because on 11th of August is your scheduling means of unit test of English, okay. And again I am reminding you that this time the board has kept even MCQs, true, false, and fill-ups. Okay, even from the literature portion, I'm again informing you, reminding you, okay, because in all my classes which I'm taking online, okay, during the last week and yesterday and day before yesterday, I have been informing you that study the chapter very, very minutely and very, very deeply. Okay, do not take chapters for granted कि हमें तो कहानी पता है, हमें तो story पता है, that will be okay. I'm very sorry, it won't be okay. Is that clear? And of course from tomorrow, okay, we will be starting our little bit of revision. Okay, we will be doing our revision also, as I'll be giving you a glance of the questions, that how the questions will be appearing. Okay, and do not worry, there's one, I think the question of display advertisement that I think you can make, and make it as attractive and as beautiful you could. Okay, it will be a creative question. Okay, so don't set back means you won't color it, you just and use good pretty slogans of yours, and of course study your literature nicely. Am I clear, my dear students? Okay, so I was planning to give you a practice question in this class only, but I won't give you because you have to revise your syllabus also. Okay, so leave it to one classified ad only. Okay, after doing 1 or 2 days revision, then again we will be putting the another classified ad. Okay, I hope you all must have understood this ad. Okay, that is all from my side today, my lovely students. Okay, have an awesome day ahead. God bless you all.